Hey Jim, this is Alex with Diamond Digital Marketing, and I wanted to produce this video for you. You mentioned that you wanted a website to drive some service calls to your business, and we're going to review some of your competitors' websites to see what kind of traffic they're bringing in. I'll keep it short. I know you're busy and I don't want to waste your time, but I look forward to following up and getting your thoughts. So I typed in RES Contracting and Mechanical Kansas City to see what we came up with, and yeah, all I can see is your LinkedIn profile here for your business. So we're going to cover three things in this video: content, citation, and backlinks. We always like to start with content first because with Google, content is king. So we really like to have 1,000 to 1,500 words on the homepage of a website and about 500 to 750 words on the back pages. And the reason is you need authoritative, unique content that's relevant to your industry and your location with keywords. So, for example, when someone searches for tankless water heater, Kansas City, Google really wants to know that they're sending them to a website that's relevant to their search. These are buyer intent keywords, and these are the ones we really want to target. I'm pulling up a competitor here, Midwest Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing. They've got a good looking website, but only a few hundred words of content. And you can really take advantage of that by getting a bunch of keywords and a lot of unique content incorporated into a website. Another competitor here, Anthony Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling, they've got a nice call to action here, free furnace. If you buy an AC, you get a free furnace. A nice looking site, but again, only a few hundred keywords. With the right amount of work and content, you can easily outrank these guys here. So if we go over here to a tool called Ahrefs that we like to use, this tool really lets us know what's working well for websites and what's not. We can tell here that Midwest Heating, they get 433 organic keywords in their website, and they're getting 334 clicks a month to their website. Over here at Anthony Plumbing, they've got 11,000 keywords and 4,000 clicks a month coming to their website. So you can see even if they're only converting a little bit of these, with that much traffic, they're really bringing in some business. So you really want to focus on those buyer intent keywords, heating and cooling Kansas City. That gets 150 searches a month, but it's pretty difficult to rank for. They're in the first position there. You kind of want to do your research and see which ones are got a lot of searches going on, but they're not that hard to rank for. So here, air conditioning repair, Kansas City, Missouri, 200 searches a month, and it's really easy to rank for. So that's where you can really start doing the research and start outranking the competition. AC repair, Kansas City, 150 searches a month. Really keyword difficulty of 2, really easy to rank for. And you just kind of want to go in here and keep looking for those buyer intent keywords here. Air conditioning repair, Kansas City, Missouri, 200 searches a month, only a 4 keyword difficulty. So this is, the devil's in the details here. You can really get some traffic from these keywords if you incorporate them into your website. So moving on to citations. And when you type in those buyer intent keywords, I keep bringing them up because it's really what we want to focus on. Heating, cooling, plumbing, Kansas City. The first thing that comes up here are sponsored ads. You can see Anthony Plumbing's got a sponsored ad, and these work really well. The next ones here are pay-per-click Google ads. And then the third area here is the Google Map Pack, or GMB. And what gets you into the map pack are citations. And a citation is just your business's name, address, phone number listed in different directories across the web on places like yellowpages.com, Yelp, bbb.org, etc. There's hundreds of them out there, and it's not hard to get listed on them. It's just really time consuming to get done. So if we go to another tool we like to use called Whitespark, we can tell here Midwest Heating and Cooling's got 10 and Anthony's got 17. What you want to do here is go in here, get the same citations and same directories that the competition is in, and then get about 100 more so that you're really staying at top of that map pack and your competition can't catch up. And the third element we want to cover today is backlinks. And if we go back over here to Ahrefs, we can tell that Midwest Heating's got 1.6K, so that's 1,600 backlinks. And over here, if we go back over to Ahrefs for Anthony, we can tell that they've got 3,400 backlinks. And similar citations, you want to go in here and see what your competitors are getting backlinks for and go after all of those and then some, so you can really blow them out of the water. And backlinks, just a link from another website that points back to your website. And it's kind of like a popularity contest with Google. The more backlinks you have pointing back at you, the more relevant your website is. But not all backlinks are created equal. You don't want to have a backlink at Domino's Pizza, for example. So if you go in here and see, yellowpages.com is giving them a backlink, sometimes citations will give you those backlinks. So again, you want to do the research, make sure you're getting the same one. Commenting on blogs with content that's relevant to your industry will also help. And asking friends to link back from their websites will help. So in closing, we want to recap what we went over. Content, you're looking for a website that has 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative and unique content on your homepage, and about 500 to 750 words on the back pages. Citations, you want to get out there and get in as many of these directories as possible so you can really beat out the competition. And backlinks, you need relevant sites pointing back to your website, and you can get these from citations, blog comments, and friend sites. And you want to have at least what the competition has and then some. And if you get a website created implementing these 3 strategies, you can most definitely start outranking your competition and drive in some service calls to your business. I hope that you found this video informative, and I'll be reaching out later today to see what you think. Thanks for your time, and I look forward to catching up with you.